I want to
Oh,
carry.
I don't think. Do you want to carry?
I want to carry. I think I want to investigate. Was okay. So, oh, I wonder who left you here. Okay, I want to put you here. Okay. Wait. Oh, oh dear, I want to find the USB part here. I wonder what if I plug in.
Greetings. I am Professor M from Malaysia Institute of Research in the year 2050. I'm currently holed up in a safe underground bunker just underneath the main city. Now it might seem weird to you, but the probe that you recovered earlier is to send this message to your timeline. In the future, greedy investors and companies are exploiting everything to make a little margin of profit, but they do not think of the effect on the environment. Sooner or later, our CO2 ratings are off the scale and our pollution are tearing the planet apart. But Mother Nature challenges with drought, hurricane, and rising of sea levels. These wraths of nature are becoming more frequent as the time passes. Necessities such as food and clean water are getting rarer. Worse to come is that people are fighting amongst themselves for the limited resources. We have wars within countries and people are getting very desperate. Some even kill their neighbors and relatives just for some food. But on 18 November 2045, everything changed. Major countries start to use their nuclear weapons to attack their neighbors. Enough to escalate into an all-out nuclear annihilation. I send this probe to your timeline in hopes that we can stop this problem from even starting. We both are living on borrowed time, you and I. That's why I'm uploading to several devices that could help you in your quest.
Many pollutants are oil-based, which means that they do not mix with water well. But because they are lipophilic and hydrophobic, they tend to move towards the fat. Marine organisms such as fish inadvertently gather the contaminants from the water, introducing the semi-permeable membrane device, SPMD, which acts like a virtual fish and absorbs the contaminants. Made by scientists of Columbia Environmental Research Center, the SPMD itself consists of a flat plastic tube with lipid or fat sealed inside. This membrane allows free, bioavailable, contaminants to pass through to the lipid while excluding water. But why uses SPMD instead of regular fish? SPMDs don't need to be fed. They don't eat each other or die from disease, predators, lack of oxygen in the water, or from the contaminants. An SPMD doesn't move around, won't escape, and SPMD can be used in almost any environment. In a standard two-stroke diesel engine, crankcase emissions, also known as blow-by, are released during the exhaust phase. It is released directly from the engine into the atmosphere through a vent. Closed crankcase ventilation (CCV) systems capture the oil and blow-by gas, return it to the crankcase. It then redirects these gaseous emissions back to the intake system for combustion instead of emitting them into the air. The advantages are that it keeps engine compartments and components clean, it reduces oil usage by reusing the excess crankcase emissions. Carbon-based engine produces emissions such as carbon dioxide. Air engine are made to combat this problem.
The most efficient by far is the di-Pietro engine. It has outstanding efficiency up to 94.5%, constant high torque, low parts count, low number of moving parts, virtually no friction. Smooth speed control characteristics, compact and light, no vibration. The cylindrical shaft driver, forced by the air pressure on its outer wall, moves eccentrically, thereby driving the motor shaft by means of two rolling elements mounted on bearings on the shaft. The rolling motion of the shaft driver inside the stator is cushioned by a thin film of air. 6 expansion chambers and pivoting dividers effectively convert this single rotor piston into a 6-cylinder expansion motor. A prototype vehicle, O2 Pursuit, has been built using this engine. It goes up to 100 kilometers per hour. It runs for a maximum of 3 hours using a standard scuba tank, about 200 bar.